So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And do you want to draw something else with me? Yeah! Let's draw the night sky! Wow! At nighttime, is there the sun or the moon? Yeah, the moon! So let's act like we're drawing a circle, but let's stop halfway. And then let's arch it back the same way. Yeah, that looks like the moon, doesn't it? Yeah, the moon actually can look different. Yeah, at different times of the month. Yeah, because light hits it in different ways. Oh, hey, and what else is in the night sky? Yeah, stars! Let's draw some orange stars. There we go. Wow, this is perfect. I love the nighttime. Oh, it's so relaxing. And look, my two favorite colors, blue and orange. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. I see the moon, stars, and is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. Growing up! Right, Tabs, we're in space. Whoa, it's a meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa, that is hot.
We should go. The 3rd planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil.
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter, bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, whee!
Wait, we haven't finished yet.
On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold.
Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune!
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi. Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know all the planets of our solar system? Yeah. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune! Wow, there's 8 planets! Why don't we draw one of them? I'm gonna pick the color red, and let's draw Saturn. Wow, Saturn is the 2nd largest planet. Whoa, and it looks like top of a circle, but I'm gonna stop halfway. And then I'm gonna start to draw the ring. Whoa, check it out. And then the bottom half of the circle, just like that. Wow, doesn't that look like Saturn? I know, wow. Thank you so much for drawing Saturn with me. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today we're here at the Orlando Science Center in Orlando, Florida. And I am so excited because you and I get to learn all about science. And we're gonna have lots of fun playing. Come on. Whoa, check it out. We're here at Drip Drop Splash. And there's so many fun things to play with in the water. Whoa, look, it's a fish. And it's the color orange. Hello, fish. Hello, Blippi. Oh, how are you today? I'm doing really good. Whoa, well, let's play with some water. Woo! Whoa, whoa, check it out. You see this fountain? Whoa, it's so smooth. Look, whoa, whoa, look at it go. Whoa, this fountain makes really smooth water come out of it. Yeah, that's called laminar flow. Whoa, yeah, laminar flow is whenever the water flows really smoothly. Whoa, hey, look at this. Whoa, 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 woo. Choo-choo. Yeah, look at this sprinkler head. It's so bubbly and it's so wet and sprinkly. Yeah, this is called turbulent flow. Look at it go. Whoa. Whoa. Check it out. We have a blue boat and a pink boat, and they're riding the waves. Whoa! 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 There are so many fun things to play here. Hey, look at this. Oh! See this? There are all these tubes. Huh. I wonder what they're used for. Whoa, look! Whoa, look at it! Look at it go! Yeah, and it looks like you can connect all the tubes, whoa, to splash in different ways. Here we go. Let's see what we can build. Whoa, look, it has an arm. Oh, it looks like a crane. But we're not building anything with this crane. Nope, we're splashing. Woo! Oh, let's build the biggest fountain ever. Here we go. Okay. Whoa! Whoa, check it out! That is one big fountain. And it looks like all the boats, they can swim under it. Whee! Whoa! It's raining! Woo! Whoa, and look at this. Come on. Whoa, and check it out. There are so many colorful boats here. We have an orange boat, a blue boat, a pink boat, a yellow boat, and whoa, a green boat. It's a tower of boats. Whoa! Whoa, and look at this. Whoa, look. It's a stream where the boats can go down. Yeah, if you start at the top, you can put some balls. Whoa, look at them go. Bye-bye. Or maybe a fish. Woo. Bye-bye, fish. Whoa, look at them go. Woo, or a boat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And look at this. There are all these different plates. Yeah, you can take a blue plate and you can put it in different parts to stop up the water so we can make the biggest splash ever. We're gonna make the boat go really fast down the ramp, okay? But first, we need to block off all the components using plates. Okay, it's filling up. Now, we can start putting the boats in. Okay, whoa, look, it's filling up. Couple more. Okay, I think we're ready to release the boats. Whoa, look at them go. Hello, whoa. Whoa, they went so fast. Oh, wow, I think it's about time for the grand finale. We've had a lot of fun playing with all these boats, but there's one more surprise. Look at it go! Whoa! Whoa, look at it! Whoa! Whoa, look! I'm getting all the balls in my nets! Woo! 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 Whoa, that was one grand finale. Whoa, it looks like there are some animals for us to see. Oh, hi, Tori. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Blippi.
Whoa, and check it out. It's a tortoise and a bunny. Whoa, and Tori, who's this?
This is Rocky, the gopher tortoise.
Hello, Rocky. Is it okay if I touch her?
Absolutely, you can touch her right on the shell there. And she can actually feel you touching her, like we can feel things that touch our fingernail. It's kind of like that.
Wow, her shell is very hard and so smooth. Oh, and Rocky's a tortoise, right?
That's correct.
Oh.
So if you look at the claws there, that's how you can tell. Turtles have webbed feet. Tortoises have claws for digging and climbing.
Whoa, yeah, the turtles, they love the water, but tortoises, they walk on the land. Well, Rocky, it was really nice to meet you. Oh, and how old is Rocky?
Rocky's almost 30 years old.
30 years old? She's so small, but so old. Well, I'll see you soon, Rocky. Oh, and Hannah, who's this?
This is Benji the bunny.
Oh, hello, Benji. Is it okay if I give Benji a pet?
Absolutely.
Oh, oh, Benji is so soft. Ooh, and so fuzzy. And Benji is the color white. And Benji's eyes, they're the color red. Oh, Hannah, why are Benji's eyes red?
So his eyes are red because he's an albino bunny.
Whoa, an albino bunny? What does albino mean?
So that just means he doesn't have the color pigmentation in his eyes like we do. So instead, we're seeing his blood vessels.
Aw, hey, wait a minute. We have a bunny and a tortoise. What if we see if they'll race?
Absolutely.
Let's try.
Okay, on the count of 3, we're gonna see if the tortoise or the hare will win the race. On your marks, get set, go!
Go, Benji.
Who's gonna win?
Oh.
Whoa, it looks like Benji won! Whoa, look at these guys! I'm here with my good friend, Tori. She's an animal expert, and she knows all about these animals. Hi, Tori.
Hi, Blippi.
Whoa, who are these?
This is Raven, and this is her baby Puff.
Oh.
They are both monkey-tailed skinks.
Monkey-tailed skinks? Whoa, I've never heard of those before. Well, hi, Raven. Hi, Puff. Nice to meet you.
Would you like to touch Raven on the back?
Oh,
Check
yeah.
out those smooth scales.
Whoa.
Aww.
Wow, Raven is so smooth. And look, she looks like a greenish yellow color. Huh, why are they colored like that?
It helps them blend in. They
Ooh.
like to be very tall up in the trees. They're excellent climbers with that monkey tail, these long fingers with the claws. When they're eating leaves and flowers, they don't want any birds to see them.
Whoa, yeah, and did you see this? It's a monkey tail. Oh, that's probably why they're called monkey tail skinks. Hey, will you act like a monkey with me? Okay, here we go. Ooh, good job being a monkey. But these aren't monkeys. They're only called monkey-tailed skinks. Yeah, they look like excellent climbers. Have their big long tail, and it looks like they have really long fingers. Woo!
Absolutely, that helps them hold on when they're climbing around. They also have very sharp claws.
Ooh, ooh, you are so cute looking. Oh, and look, there's a hole in the side of her head. What's that for?
That's how she hears.
Oh, no way! Do you see that? Yeah, that little hole in the side of Raven's head is her ear. Well, it was so cool to learn all about the monkey-tailed skinks. Thanks, Dory.
No problem, Blippi.
I'll see you soon. Whoa, check it out. Do you see all these tubes? They're so cool because they use air power. Yeah, air is really important. It has the oxygen that we breathe. And it can pull things like a vacuum or push things like a hairdryer. That's just awesome. Well, I had such a fun time with you today here at the Orlando Science Center. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, will you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. Woo!